Hey y'all, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to make a pork roast with vegetables.
This is going to be the last pork roast video you're ever going to need. My mom taught me how to cook this when I was a kid, and I've been eating it ever since.
And he's not kidding, y'all. This is so good, and I cannot wait. It has been like 6 months since we had a pork roast because I absolutely refuse to pay what they're asking for them. Now, yesterday I made the homemade onion soup mix, which Randy can put up there in La La Land somewhere at the end of the video, and you can go back and see how I made that. It makes the best, absolute best pork roast, y'all. So go check that link. Yesterday, I stopped by our local Piggly Wiggly, and guess what I found? They had pork roast for $2 a pound. $2. We haven't seen that price here probably in a year, at least. So this is a 4.21 pound roast for $8.42. And I can easily feed us 3 times, the 2 of us. That's 6 meals out of this one pork roast. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is take this pork roast and sit it fat side down into my crock pot. And my onion soup mix has everything in it. I don't need to add anything else to this pot except for my onion soup mix. It has a load of spices and herbs in there, and you'll just have to go look up there in La La Land and find the link and try this, okay? Okay, I'm going to start by putting 2 good tablespoons directly on that roast. And nothing beats homemade, y'all. Nothing beats homemade. Alright, now we're going to get our vegetables cut up. What I'm going to use is just some potatoes, some carrots, some onions, and I have a few shallots that I just need to use, so we're going to put those in there. And I have some bell pepper pieces that I need to use, and they're going in there too. Alright, we're going to start with these bell pepper tops, and I'm not going to worry about any kind of size or anything. I'm just going to run this knife right across the top and just put them in basically bite-sized pieces, because they're going to cook in this crock pot for 6 hours. We're going to go ahead and put those in there, just like that. Now we'll start on our onions. And same thing, I'm going to just bite-sized pieces. Let's get this one cut up. Now we love onions, okay? So I can't put too many onions in here. And remember what I said about those tops and pieces. Keep them, stick them in a bag, put them in your freezer. We're just going to cut that once, and then down like that. Once across, 3 times against the grain. Drop those in. Whoops! Hit the pot. Alright. Now let's cut up those shallots. Same thing. I am going to make them a little smaller because shallots, you know, are pretty strong. So we'll just go ahead and cut those into smaller pieces. get those in there. Same thing with these shallot pieces. They go in the bag. Make your veggie broth, your own chicken broth. All right, potato time. And this is entirely up to you, what you do with your potatoes, but I'm going to leave the skin on. And I'm just going to chunk them. Nice, healthy, bite-sized chunks. And for us to have them today and some left for tomorrow's meal, I'm going to use about 5. And I did wash them really good. I have this little scouring thing, and I washed the skins really good. I don't want to eat sand, but I do want all the nutritional value out of the potato. In the pot they go, just like that. Now I have 3 carrots. Same thing, I washed them, but I didn't skin them. And I'm going to take the ends off. They're going in that baggie to go in my freezer. Okay. And same thing, nice chunks, because they're going to be in that crock pot for 5 or 6 hours. So, just nice, little better than bite size. Whoa, almost lost it. Alright, we're going to get those in there. There we go. Full crock pot. Now, I'm going to take another 2 tablespoons, nice heaping tablespoons of my mix. Drop it on those veggies. Now all we need to do is put our lid on there, make sure we got it lined up, turn it, hit the button that says slow cook. Okay, we got our crock pot all set up. I'm set for 6 hours. This is actually a gourmet. It does everything. It's a rice cooker, it's a slow cooker, it's a pressure cooker. It's a pretty nifty critter is what it is. It's a all-in-one kind of deal, and I just love it. Oh, that looks so good. It is perfect, y'all. Perfect. Oh, y'all, look at that color. See what that turmeric does? Well, you won't, in the recipe for the onion soup mix, there is turmeric, and it makes it the most beautiful color. So everything is just absolutely perfect. I can't wait. Let's get it on a plate. All right, and you want to talk about drop and go? This was drop and go. Put it all together in less than 15 minutes this morning. Went on to work, did everything we needed to do. 6 hours later, dinner is done. We're ready to eat. And to top this off, some homemade horseradish sauce. And Randy can leave a description up there in La La Land or somewhere for you to make this. This is so good. I may not get 3 meals out of that because I may just pig out.